Hi students, welcome back to my class. Today I am going to explain the chapter Atomic Structure. Atomic Structure. So I hope all of you know about the topic, what is atomic structure, what is atom. Don't worry, I will give you the detailed explanation about the topic atomic structure. Now I will give you the small introduction about the chapter. Structure of atom. Okay. Otherwise, atomic structure. So, I hope all of you know means of the matter. All the matter is made up of tiny particle that is called atom. In our universe, all the materials made or built, it is a matter. For example, what is the example of matter? So the example and the matter, each and everything we are learned in my previous lessons. So let's see. First of all, I am going to explain the topic atom. What is mean by atom? Okay, it's a very important. All of you want to learn the definition of atom. So the atom is an atom of an element. An atom of element is the smallest particle. Is the smallest particle that exhibits the properties of that element. Means the smallest particle that exhibits the properties of that element. Okay, the element is the smallest unit of the element. Means tiny particle. Tiny particle. Okay. So this tiny particle, or is the smallest particle, it's a just showing, means it exhibit the properties of that particular element. Okay, so there are lots of elements in our periodic table. That means 180 elements. So each element having the atom. Okay, so this atom having the peculiar character or properties of that element. Okay, that is called atom. It's very simply. An atom of an element is the smallest particle of that element. Okay. So next one, we want to know who is discovered the atom. First one, in the previous, that means 4470 in the previous, means ancient time, some of the scientists discovered the atom. First, they are named as atomos. What is mean by the meaning of atomos? The atomos means indivisible. Okay, indivisible. So this first discovered by the Greek philosopher. The Greek philosopher, his name Democritus. Democritus. Okay, in the year 470 to 370 BC. Between 470 to 370 BC, he discovered the atom. Okay, so he is the Democritus is the first discovered by the atom. Okay, then later one Indian philosopher Canada is also discovered about the atom. Okay, then after few years, after the years means in 1803. Okay. So one of the famous scientists, John Dalton, is discovered the atomic theory. He discovered wrote the atomic theory. So this theory is also given the detailed explanation about the atom. So here, all the elements are made up of tiny particles called atom. This discovered proof is given the clear proof. John Dalton given the clear proof about the atom is the smallest unit or tiny particles is called atom. Otherwise, all elements are made up of tiny particles. So that tiny particle is called atom. Okay. Next one, composition of an atom. Okay. So this John Dalton is briefly explained and studied about the elements and the atoms, and the characters, properties, and each and everything detailed explained in the atomic theory. So the composition of an atom means the atom again divided into subatomic particle, into three, that is called subatomic particle. So atom means very tiny particle, okay. So the John Dalton again divided this tiny particle. That tiny particle is called subatomic particle. So here the subatomic particles classified into three subatomic particles. The first one electron, second one proton, and third one neutron. So I will give you one structure about the structure of atom. Okay. The structure of atom will easy to understand how to arrange the electrons and the protons and the neutrons and their charges. So in this topic, first one, atom. What is mean by atom? That means it is a very smallest particle exhibits the property of the element. Okay. And the first discovered by the scientist, Greek philosopher, his name Democritus, in the year 470 into 370 BC. Okay. And in 1803, one of the famous scientists, John Dalton, is proved means established the atomic theory. So this theory is given the detailed explanation about the atoms. So he mentioned all the elements are made up of tiny particle, that is called atom. So the composition of an atom is given to you. That means mainly that atom divided into three subatomic particles. First one electron, proton, and neutron. So all of you learn it very carefully. Let's see here. Now I am going to explain the topic, the structure of an atom. Structure of an atom. Okay. So here I mentioned here is also electron and proton, neutron here. So an atom consists of three subatomic particles. So the first one, electron. The electron means the negative charge. Electron is a negative charge. And the proton means proton positive charge. And the neutron means that's a neutral. There is no charge. Okay. So here I am given one structure, atomic structure. Okay. So this structure is also the center one. The center is called nucleus. What is the center is called? Nucleus. So the nucleus contains the proton and the neutron. So inside the nucleus having two particles, two subatomic particles. The first one proton and second one neutron. Okay. So and above the nucleus means above the nucleus having the electrons present above the nucleus. So the circle is called orbit. So the electrons move a particular path is called orbit. So what is the name of this one? It's called orbit. Okay, orbit. So only one way, in the orbits, only the electrons move. So here the center is called nucleus and the circular structure is called orbits. So where is the electron present? The electron present for the orbits, in the orbits. Okay. So this is a basic structure of atom. So I hope all of you understood today's topic, the atomic structure chapter, the topic atom and the composition of atom. So all of you learn this very clearly. It's a very important for you in this chapter. So now I am going to conclude this topic. We'll continue the next topic in next my class. Thank you.